Hi, my name is Carson and welcome to my channel. On this channel we will be doing crafts, stop motion, animation, and family tricks and challenges. Come on, let's do the room tour!
This is my room. My sister's just table of nerdy stuff. Here is backyard. This I have a drone. No flying, Mr. Drone. Woo! No flying. This is why we can't fly a drone. Okay, we have to lock this door. We have to lock it. We have to lock it so no bad guys get in. Come on, no bad guys. No bad guys. No bad guys. Oh no. No bad guys. No bad guys. No bad guys. No bad guys. That's better. Okay, get ready for the secret of my fridge. See? It's my fridge. Isn't it great? I can do magic. Abracadabra. See? I shut in magic. Now I can reopen it. Abracadabra. See, it's magic. Now let me just abracadabra. Yeah, it's all magic.
So here is
My room. It's my room. It's my room. It's my room. It's my room. So, here's Mr. Pufferfish. Oh, my name is Mr. Pufferfish. He's Mr. Pufferfish from the Bahamas. And here's my collection of nutcrackers. He's kind of, dude. Hey. What do you want? I want you to be kind of quiet. What? Who are you talking to? You think I will be? And that's better. Oh, hey. People. Hey, subscribers. I got a present for you. All you have to do with this present is go. Whoa. I'm just kidding. Now, we are done with my room tour. Here's just a little view of the room from top of my tall bed. Here it is. Oh. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'll leave a link down below to my sister's channel. And goodbye.